Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a showing off good Monday and a good start to a new week. What I want to make mention right off the bat is if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over in the sticks, thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, all I'm going to say is rain. Give me a second. I'm going to show you what it undid before the rain cometh. All right, Dan, where have you been the last 3 or 4 days? Well, I'm here to tell you, brothers and sisters, we have finally got some rain over here in East Central Mississippi, some much needed rain. I have a few clips that I'm gonna post up for you so you could peep it out, Lord of mercy, with some showing of rain. But believe it or not, East Central Mississippi is under a severe flood warning today. It's, the skies are dark, but it's sure enough supposed to come a flood tomorrow. 90% chance of rain, supposed to pick up anywhere from 3 to 4 inches of rain. But let me show you what I did Friday. Actually, this video was, I should have done this Friday, but I didn't because it rained so much. Let me show you what I did in the earth bed before the rain came. Look at there. I'm here to tell you this cool weather, and speaking of cool weather, it's about 70 degrees right now. It's nice out. But the fall crops are looking really good. What I did was I had some goats that ate some of my greens, some of my collard greens, and some of my kale, and some of my Swiss chard. I had some Swiss chard that actually didn't make it because it's just too hot for them to grow. But what I did was I actually replanted a whole bunch of Georgia collards. I also replanted my Swiss chard. It's looking pretty good. What I also did was I added in about 6 plants of some sure enough stonehead cabbage, and that's right there. There's 6 of them, looking pretty good. They standing up real nice. They liking this cool weather. And I also planted 6 plants of some Brussels sprouts. Skylar was like, Dan, you need to plant some Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts, I do too. So planted some Brussels sprouts. And I also planted another species of kale. I can't pronounce it. It's L-A-N-C-O-T-E, maybe kale. I can't pronounce it, but it is kale. And that is it right there. Put out about 6 plants of that. Now what I normally like to do is I like to really start everything by seed. It's just a whole lot cheaper. But unfortunately I couldn't do that for the fall garden. So I just bought a bunch of starts and everything is looking really good. Napa cabbage, growing, looking really good. Broccoli, looking really good. So I can't complain. So this is what I actually did. Skylar and I actually amended this side of the bed. Got it amended in real good. And Friday afternoon, I actually started planting all of this stuff. And then the bottom fell out. We are predicted rain for 6 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, up to Wednesday, possibly, of nothing but rain. I know for sure we're gonna pick up some sure enough rain on tomorrow, Tuesday, and it's gonna be a nice amount of rain. It's almost to the point Friday when it started raining, and it rained pretty good. The ground was so dry that it just sucked up that water. After the rain event, you could walk on the grass and it was almost like it didn't rain at all because the ground just sucked the water in. So now, needless to say, I had to cancel all outdoor activities, high diving, croquet, water polo. Had to cancel all of that because of the rain. So that's what's been going on, and that's why you haven't seen me the last 3 days maybe, because everything I wanted to do was outside. I got a break today in the rain. It looks like it wants to start raining now, but I wanted to show you the progress that we have made in this earth bed. It's looking good, it's growing good. I'm really liking it. Look at them peppers over there, they just banging. I mean, peppers are liking the cool weather too, I would imagine. But Saturday morning, I am here to tell you it was quite chilly. It was probably about 51, 52 degrees Saturday morning. It was just nice, it was chilly. I mean, showing up. So brothers and sisters, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. I wanted to show you what I done did on Friday. Couldn't update you on Saturday because it was raining, and sure enough couldn't do it Sunday because it was raining too. Got a break in the rain. You know, I'm gonna share, I got to show you. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday, and I hope y'all have a good, safe week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. That being said, you know it's coming, Dan Reference showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you showing off, get your shine on. I know East Central Mississippi shining because we getting some rain, that's right. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.